Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new row to a table in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive Files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit, like this. Then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner, and here we have to select the table and the row of the table after which or before which we want to add a row. So if we tap on this icon, it's going to add the row after the selected one, and if we tap on this, it's going to add a row after the selected one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.